Good afternoon to all. Is it audible? Is it audible? వినపడుతుందా అండి? హలో, is it audible? హలో హలో, వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా అండి? Now come to the first problem. So the solution of the Csir problem for the first order partial differential equation x zx plus y zy is equal to z and the domain x square plus y square is not equal to 0 and x square plus y square is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1 is, which one is the correct? Option D, none of the above. How can you solve? What is the suitable method for this problem? Lagrange method. Very good. So according to the Lagrange method, now dx by x and dy by y and dz by z. So from 1 and 2, dx by x and dy by y, integration of this 1 by x is log x, integration of 1 by y is log y plus constant. So x is equal to c1y, or you can write x by y is equal to c1 or y by x is equal to c1. It is the first solution. Similarly, come to the second solution. Second solution is, now second solution is from 1 to, so 1 3, after taking 1 3 dx by x and dz by z, now we will get the answer same, x by z is equal to constant or z by x is equal to constant. 2. Now in this case here I am taking, already z is equal to 1 means, now take one more solution. I am taking the solution, no problem. Now here I am taking c2 is equal to, sorry, c1 is equal to function of, c1 is equal to function of, c1 is equal to function of c2, because z is equal to 1, so better take z is inside the function. Now c1 is equal to function of c2, c1 is equal to function of c2. Now y by x is equal to function of x by z. Now after substituting the, already it is clearly given, x square plus y square is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. After taking x is equal to s, then y is equal to under root of 1 minus s square and z is equal to 1. Then the equation star becomes, now equation star becomes y by x is equal to f of x by z, that means under root of 1 minus s square by s is equal to f of s. Now equation star, now y by x is equal to f of x by z, but f of s is equal to under root of 1 minus x square by z square by x by z. Now the result is y by x is equal to z square minus x square by z cancel by x. Now this x will cancel. Now y is equal to under root of z square minus x square. That means y square is equal to z square minus x square. Now z square is equal to x square plus y square, and z is equal to x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. So option D is the correct. Z is equal to x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2 is the correct. Okay. Now come to the next problem. Now eliminate the arbitrary constants. Eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b. Now z square is equal to ax cube plus by cube ab. Which of the following is the correct? Option D, sure. Now we'll check. So here first of all, this given equation, that is the given equation, z square is equal to ax cube plus by cube plus a into b. After differentiating with respect to x, we'll get the 2zp is equal to 3ax square 0 0. That means here we'll get the a is equal to 2zp by 3x square, and differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating with respect to y, next one, here we will get the equation 2zq is equal to 3by cube. Now here we will get the b is equal to 2zq by 3y square. Now substitute this a and b in the given equation. That means equation star. Now it is the equation star. So equation star becomes z square is equal to a square ax cube by cube plus a into b is z square is equal to a 2zp by 3x square into x cube. Next one, 2zq by 3y square y cube, and 2zp by 3x square 2zq by 3y square. Now here we get the 2zp by 3 into x plus 2zq by 3 into y, and better to take the LCM. That is better. Now LCM is here 3x square y square. That means 3x square y square. Okay, so multiply by 3x square y square. ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. x square 3x 9x square 3x square. ఒక్క నిమిషం. a square x ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. చెప్పండి మేడం. Okay, so just multiply by 9x square y square. Now it is the 9x square y square z square. Here we'll get the 6 zp x cube and y square. Here 6 zp z cube x square and y cube. Here 6z p y square, and here the 6z q x square. After sorry here product. Sorry. So for z square pq. So for z square pq, now option all are positive. So option A cancel, option B also cancel, option C also cancel. So it is only all are positive. All are positive. And we can separate the z. After deleting the z, 9x square y square z is equal to 6px cube y square 6 2x square y cube plus 4zpq is the answer. So option D is the correct. Okay, man, D is the correct. Next one. Now eliminate the arbitrary constant indicates in the brackets following the equation and form the corresponding partial differential equation. I think this is very simple. Answer? Option C. Okay, good. Now same as the previous problem. So first of all, differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating with respect to x, what will get the result? The result is p is equal to 3ax square plus 0. That means here the a is equal to p by 3x square. Next one, after differentiating with respect to y, q is equal to 3by square. That means b is equal, we will get a 3q by 3y square. Substitute a and b in the given equation. Now z is equal to ax cube plus py cube. Now z is equal to a p by 3x square x cube and q by 3y square y cube. That means z is equal to xp by 3 plus y cube by 3. After multiplying by 3, z is equal to xp plus y cube. So option C is the correct. Okay, good. Next one. Find the partial differential equation of planes having equal x and y intercepts. Option. Now first of all, what is the equation? Equation. equation. Now come to the equation. X by a plus y by a and z by b is equal to 1. Is there an equation? X by a plus y by a plus z by b is equal to 1. Now in this one, just to eliminate the a and b, we will get the differential equation. Okay, it is the one way. Or second way is, okay, assume option B is the correct. So D is the correct because here the x involving same as like the B. Q. Now, so what is the solution of this differential equation? By using the Chapit's method. P is P minus, assume P is equal to A, then Q is equal to also A, then our solution is complete integral Z is equal to AX plus AY plus P. After writing Z by P and X A by P and A by By plus 1. So this is the equation. Just eliminate a and b value, will get the result. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. What will happen? We have 1 by a plus 0 and p by p is equal to 0. Now here we will get the p is equal to minus b by a. P is equal. Next one, differentiate with respect to y. After differentiating with respect to y, we will get same 0 plus 1 by a. Q by b is equal to, now q is equal to minus b by a. Now from these two equations, p is equal to q. So it is the result. Okay. Now what is the corresponding differential equation of this problem? Pi of x plus y plus z and x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0. Option D. So assume it is the F and assume it is the G. Now the matrix is assume it is the U and V, Ux, Uy, P into Uy, Uz plus Q into Uz, Ux and Vx, Vy, Vy, Vz, Vz, Vx. Now substitute Ux, Uy, Uz, then here Ux is 1, Uy is 1 and Uy, Uz is 1, Uz and Ux also 1. Similarly, Vx is 2x, Vy, 2y minus 2z and 2y, okay. So it is 2y minus 2z and 2x. After finding the determinant of these three matrices, 2y minus 2x, first one, p into minus 2z minus 2y plus q into 2x plus 2z. That means here we will get the 2 cancel, y minus x is equal to minus p into z plus y plus q into x plus z is the final result. Or after modification, after multiplying by minus 1, x minus y is equal to p into z plus y minus q into x plus z. So here option C cancel, Option D also cancel, either A or C. So here C is, A will work. A is the correct answer. No. Sir, చెప్పండి. Oh, sorry, sir. Oh, sir, x minus 1. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. ఆప్షన్ A and C will cancel, either B or D. So here it is, there is no negative, so D is the correct. Sorry ma'am. Next one, come to the eliminate the arbitrary functions. I think this is the easiest problem. So function of x minus 80 and function of x plus 80. Option C. So before going to the problem, so utt minus c square uxx is equal to 0. What about the corresponding solution of the differential equation? It is the wave equation. Function of x plus ct, function of x minus ct. That means it is the solution of the wave equation only. Okay. So option C is the correct. Or you can form the differential equation by differentiating. Now assume equation star differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating with respect to x, here we will get the ux is equal to f dash plus f dash. Similarly find the uxx, f double dash plus g f double dash. Similarly same, differentiate with respect to y, uy is equal to, that means ut, not yt. Differentiate with respect to t, then here we will get the u t is equal to, or yt ut f dash of x minus 80 minus a plus capital F dash is equal to f of x plus 80 and different. After that, here we will get the result. So again differentiate, utt is equal to minus of minus plus f double dash c, again differentiate this capital F, here we will get the here first minus a, so minus a whole square, here already a, there is another a square. After rewriting utt, a square is common, f double dash plus g f double dash is utt is equal to a square into u xx. Option 7, okay, option C is the correct. Next one, form the partial differential equation by eliminating this function z is equal to x power n into f of y by x. Which of the following is correct? Answer. Option D. Now This problem we can solve two ways. The first way is z by x power n is equal f of y by x. Now assume this is the u and this is the v. So ux, uy, p into uy, uz plus q into uz, ux, vx, vy and vy, vz, vz, vx. Now substitute all. Ux is minus z n z by x power minus n, so plus 1. Next one uy 0 and p into uy 0. Now uz is 1 by x power n plus q into uz 1 by x power n and vx, already we know that minus nz by x power n plus 1. Similarly come to the v also. Come to the v, same format, and vx is minus y by x square and vy is 1 by x and vz 0 and vx is minus y by x square. Now just find the determinant of these three matrices. The determinant of the first matrix is minus nz by x power n plus 2. Second one is p into 0 minus x power n plus 1 plus q into minus y by x power n plus 2. Just multiply by x power n, then here we'll get the minus nz is equal minus xp minus yq. So after rewriting, it is the xp plus yq is equal to nz. So option C is the correct. Now, so the corresponding differential equation is linear or semi-linear or quasi-linear or non-linear. Quasi-linear because here there is a left hand side, there is a z term is there. That's why it is the quasi-linear. Now the structure of the linear is p is function of xy plus q into function of xy is equal r into function of xy plus s into function of z into function of xy. It is the linear situation. Next one, semi-linear situation is p into function of xy into q is function of xy is equal r is function of xyz. It is the semi-linear situation. Next one, quasi-linear differential equation. Quasi-linear is in the form of p is capital P is function of xyz, q capital P is function of xyz is equal to r is function of xyz. It is the quasi-linear differential equation. Otherwise, it is the non-linear differential equation. So this is there is a z left hand side, so it is the quasi-linear differential equation. Next one. Now what is the differential equation? Linear, semi-linear, quasi-linear or non-linear? Non-linear, because here there is a product of p and q, so non-linear differential equation. Next one, p tan x plus q tan y is equal to tan z. Now what is the solution of the differential equation? Option D. Okay, now we'll check. Dx by tan x, dy by tan y and dz by tan z. So from 1 and 2 combination, dx by tan x, dy by tan y integration of cot is log of sine of x is equal to log of sine of y plus constant. So our solution is sin x by sin y is equal to constant. This is the first one. Or you can write solution like this: sin y by sin x is equal to constant. It is the first solution from 1 and 2. Similarly, we will expect the same structure like this from the 1, 3. From the 1, 3 we will get the sin x by sin z is equal to constant, or sin z by sin x is equal to constant. Now what is the third approach? Third approach is, you can assume here 2, 3. That means ty by tan y is equal to tz by tan z. So here the solution here will get the sin z by sin x is equal to constant. So option A is not correct because here there is 2a. Option B also not correct, here there is 3a, and option C also not correct, there is a 2a. So here in terms of only sin function, so option D is the correct. Next one, come to the next problem. Now ZP is equal to minus x. What is the solution of the differential equation, and which type of differential equation to given part? Lagrange Sharpitz method apply, sir. Lagrange Sharpitz method apply cheyali madam. Okay, here we can apply both. We can apply the Lagrange method or Sharpitz method, because for non-linear differential equation we have to apply only Sharpitz method, but the rest of we can apply both, either first one or second one. Okay. Now dx by z and dy by 0 and dz by minus x. So dy by 0 means y is equal to constant. Next one, from 1, 3 dx by z and dz by minus x. So here we will get the x dx minus plus z dz is equal to 0. X square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to constant. So x square plus z square is equal to constant. So you have to write either c1 is equal to function of c2 or c2 is equal to function of c1. That means x square plus z square is equal to function of y, or y is equal to function of x square plus z square. You can write any one of the format. So option, which one is correct? Option P is the correct. Very good. Now the following the differential equation: P minus 2q is equal 3 sin square, 3x square sin of y plus x. Which one is the correct? I think you can eliminate option D. Yeah, sure. Okay, now we'll check. Dx by 1 and dy by minus 2 and dz by 3x square sin of y plus 2x. y plus 2x from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, here we'll get the dx is equal to dy by minus 2. So here 2 dx plus dy is equal to 0. That means our first solution is 2x plus y is equal to constant. First solution. Second solution is, so here I am taking 1 3. After taking 1 3, what will happen here? dx by 1 and dz by 3x square sine of y plus 2x, but already y plus 2x is equal to c1. So dx by 1 is equal to dz by 3x square sine of c1. Sine of c1, now it is only function of x and z. Then this one is 3x square sine c1, now constant, sine c1 constant, dx is equal to dz. After integrating, it is x cube by 3, 3 cancel, sine of c1 is equal to constant. That means our solution is x cube sine of y plus 2x minus z is equal to constant. And you can write the solution. C1 is equal to function of C2 or C2 is equal to function of C1. And moreover, the second solution you can write another form also. Another form is z minus x cube sine of y plus 2x is equal to constant. So for the first solution, first form is C1 is, what is the C1? 2x plus y is equal to function of z minus x cube sine of y plus 2x. Or you can write same reverse also. 2x plus y is equal to function of x cube sine y plus 2x minus z. And the next form is, you can write this form also. C2. C2 is equal to x cube sine of y plus 2x minus z is equal to function of y plus 2x. So negative, so option B is the correct. Next one, what is the 14th result? Sir. Oh, sorry, sir. ఈ కొంచెం ఫాంట్ సైజ్ చిన్నగా ఉంది, కనిపించదు. ఓకే, ఓకే అండి, ఫాంట్ సైజ్ ఓకే. ఆప్షన్ ఏ is the correct. Next one. So solve the differential equation y minus z into p plus z minus x into q is equal to x minus y. Option A. Now we will check. In the option A, our element value is 1 1 1 and here element value is x y z. For the second problem, element value is 1 1 minus 1 and x y z minus z are element values. Next one, option C, A, C is same. Next one, option D, element values are 1 minus 1 1 and here x y minus z. Okay, now anyway, so it is related to Lagrange method and you have to apply the combinations. Now y minus z, z minus x, x minus y. So just focus on the first these two. So all will cancel. So 1 1 1 1. So L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. That means 1 dx, 1 dy plus 1 dz is equal to 0. Our solution is, one of the solutions is x plus y plus z is equal to constant. Next one. Second one is y minus z and z minus x x minus y. Same, just focus on these two. That means multiply by here x, here y. These two will cancel. It is updated yz, but here minus yz, so better to multiply z. So multiply by x, y, z, that is our element values. So ldx plus mdy plus ndz is equal to 0. So x dx, y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. After integrating, here we will get the x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to constant. So two solutions are enough, x, y, z and x square by square plus z square. So option both A and C. Now P plus Q is equal to x minus y, x plus y plus z. Now which of the following is the solution of this differential equation? Now the auxiliary equation here, dx by 1 and dy by 1, option C, sure. Now we'll check x plus y plus z. From 1 and 2, dx is equal to dy, so x minus y is equal to constant and y minus x is equal to constant. You can take any one of the solution. So x minus y, y minus x means this option A will cancel. Next one, come to the second solution. So here you can take the 1, 3 option or 2, 3 option also. If I am taking 1, 3, then what will happen? You can club the x, y, z symbol. That means here already we have here y minus z is equal to constant. So 1, 3 dx by 1 and dz by x plus y plus z. Just substitute dx by 1 and dz by x square x plus y plus z. But already here there is a x is equal to c1 plus y, c1 plus y. So x is equal to c1 plus y, c1 plus y. So from the 2, 3 option or 1, 3 option, from the 1, 3 option, sorry, 1, 3, okay, 1, 3 here the equation is dx by 1 and dz by x plus y plus z. But already we have y is equal to c1 plus x, dx is equal to dz by, so 2x plus y c1 plus z. Just integrate with respect to z, then sorry, okay. Next y is equal to y is equal to c1 plus x. So here we have 2c1, sorry, 2x plus c1 plus z. Now after integrating with respect to x here, right hand side log of 2x plus c1 z plus constant. But anyway it is the x is equal to log of c is equal to y minus x is equal to c1, or this one here we will get C1 is equal to y minus x. So here we will get the x plus y plus z plus constant. That means here we will get the e power x is equal to x plus y plus z plus some constant. So here the result is, what is the option? Option B is the correct. Option okay Nandi? This time the no. Okay sir, no. So option C is the correct. Here there is a printing mistake. The option here, function of x minus y e power minus x of x plus y plus z. Function of Csir. So option D is correct. కానీ ఇక్కడ లాటెక్స్ కూడా తప్పడిందండి. Now the complete integral of the differential equation yz p square is equal to q, which is the correct option. Option ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. Okay, yes. వినపడుతుందా అండి? Now find the complete integral of yz p square is equal to q. Now is it linear or non-linear or semi-linear or quasi-linear? Option Answer? Option D. Option D. Okay, we will check. Now this problem related to the Chapit's method. What is the structure of the Chapit's method? dx by. Now is it related to special case of the Chapit's method? Can you apply? No. So dx by fp and dy by fq and dz by pfp plus qfq and minus dp by fx plus pfz and minus dq by fy plus qfz. After substituting this all, better to simplify from the last right to left. Fy is z p square and here our function is y z t square minus q is equal to 0. Plus q into fz. Fz is y p square and minus dp by fx 0 fz yp square. Next one, dx by fp is 2yzp and fq is minus 1 and dz by p fp is 2yzp plus q into fz minus 1. Now which combination is suitable for solving this current problem? So 1 and 4 is suitable. From 1 4 situation, dx by 2yzp is equal to, that means f5. fp is 2yzp and t minus dp by yp cube. That means fz is yp square but into p. So here the y cancel and p cancel. Here we will get the 2z is equal to minus dp by p square only. Z కూడా వర్కౌట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ ఏంటండి? 1 4 ఆల్సో నాట్ పాసిబుల్. So 1 4 is not possible, but 2 4 will pass because here 1 4 there is a z. From the 2 4 dy by minus 1 and minus dp by yp cube. After separating, y dy is equal to dp by p cube. Now after sir,
సార్ అక్కడ వైతో చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది సార్ మనకి జెడ్ టీ స్క్వేర్గా రావచ్చు
ఒకసారి అనండి. y
అదే సార్ డీవైతో చేసామనుకోండి
dy
డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ వైతో చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది సార్ మనకి
zt square y zt square ఇక్కడ ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, ఇది ఇంకోసారి చూద్దామండి. ఇది కొంచెం మీకేం ఆప్షన్ వచ్చిందండి? y z fy we will see this problem next later. My God, ఇది ఒకటి ఉందా? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటండి? If p is the particular integral of the partial differential equation dou square z by dou x square and dou z by dou y is equal to 2y minus x square. Now which one is the correct particular integral?
ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై వస్తుంది సార్ ఈక్వేషన్
Sir
ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై వస్తుంది ఈక్వేషన్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్
ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఈక్వేషన్ d square minus d dash into 2y minus x square. So by separating the d square, what will happen? 1 minus d dash by d square into 2y minus x square. After expanding by using the geometric series, 1 plus d dash by 2 plus d dash by 2 by d square whole square, so on, into 2y minus x square. So 1 by d square. Now first term gives the non-zero, second term also gives the non-zero. These two must be gives the non-zero, the rest of 0. So 2y plus x square. After minus. Next, after differentiating with respect to y, here we will get the 2 only. So 1 by d square of 2. So now after rewriting, so 2y minus x square, after integrating twice it is plus x square will cancel. 1 by d square of 2y. After integrating with respect to x twicely, you will get x square by 2, but already 2, so there is x square y. But what is our question? So question is u of x comma y is equal, here we will get the particular result is, that means p of x comma y is equal to x square y, and p of 2 comma 3 is equal to 2 square into 3, so option 12. So this is the one way, or we have the another way for finding the particular integral is, so zp is equal to 1 by d square minus d dash 2y minus x square. So after separating the minus d dash of 1 minus d square by d dash 2y minus x square. After expanding, minus 1 d dash 1 plus d square by d dash by d dash whole square, so on, into 2y minus x square. Anyway, the first part gives the non-zero, second part also gives the non-zero, the rest of must be gives the 0. Then here we will get the particular integral is minus 1 by d dash of 2y minus x square. After differentiating with respect to x twicely, here we will get the plus minus 2 only by d dash. After integrating with respect to x twicely, minus 1 by d dash 2y minus x square minus 2y. 2y to y cancel, we will get the 1 by d dash into x square. So that means x square into y is our particular integral. But the question is at the point 2 comma 3. At the point 2 comma 3 the value is 12. Next one. Find the following the partial differential equation d square minus 2 d dash plus d dash square into z is equal to 12xy. Option. What is the auxiliary equation? What are the roots of auxiliary equation? Option A. So first of all, the auxiliary equation of the differential equation m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are 1 comma 1 and the complementary function is z is equal to phi 1 of function of y plus x into function of y plus x. So option B we can eliminate and C also we can eliminate, either A or D. Now come to the particular integral of the differential equation. Particular integral is 1 by d minus d dash whole square into 12xy. After separating the d dash square, so d dash or d square, 1 minus d dash by d dash whole square 12xy. After rewriting, that means after applying the series expansion, 1 plus 2 d dash, so d dash by d plus 3 d dash by d whole square plus 4 d dash by d whole cube, so on. Anyway, it is a 12xy. So first two terms gives the non-zero and third onwards gives the 0. So 1 by d square, so 12xy plus 2 by d dash, that means differentiate, it is the 12x. So 1 by d square of 12xy and integrate with respect to x twice once, we will get the x square by 2. Already there is a 2, it is the 12x. Now integrate with respect to x twice. So 12y plus 12 into x. After integrating twice, we will get the first time we will get the 2 x square by 2 and second time x cube by 3 into 2. So 6 means here we will get the 6. So 2 y plus 1 into x cube. And same way we can solve the solution in another way by separating 1 by d dash whole square 12xy. After separating 1 by d dash square, so 1 minus d by d dash. So here we will get the same type of result, 2x plus 1 into y cube. That option. ఆప్షన్ మీకు ఏ ఎట్లా వచ్చిందండి?
సార్
ఏ ఏ ఏ
హలో హలో
సార్
సార్ సార్ ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ బై 2/d చేస్తే x స్క్వేర్ కదా సార్ వచ్చేది, ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసింది
ఓ
సార్.
సారీ, ఇక్కడ 6x సారీ.
4x ఇక్కడ 2
ఎస్
క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, అది మిస్టేక్.
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఒక ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది సార్ ఆన్సర్.
ఓకే సారీ, ఇక్కడ కొంచెం మిస్ అయిందండి. So 1 by, so after double integration of this x is 12 y into x square by 2, that means x cube by 6. Second one is 12 into x power 3 by 3 and x power 4 by 4, it is the 12, 3 and 4, 12. So 2yx cube plus x power 4, and the second result is same like if you can separate the d dash square, after separating the d dash, here we will get the 2x y cube plus y power 4, but anyway it is related to this one. Second solution is, this is the second solution. First solution and second solution is 2x y cube plus y power 4 is the second solution. Okay, what is the next one? A complete integral of the differential equation PQ is equal to 1. చెప్తారా ఆన్సర్? ఆప్షన్ ఉందా లేదా? ఆన్సర్ option. So which type of differential equation the given? Option. Now we'll check. Now which type of differential equation? Yes, this is the non-linear differential equation. We can apply the Charpit's method. Non-linear differential equation, you can apply the Charpit's method, particularly case 1 problem. That means assume p is equal to a, then complete integral is z is equal to ax plus 1 by a y plus b. That means z is equal to a, substitute p is equal to a, then q is equal to 1 by a only. So answer ax plus 1 by a y plus b. After multiplying by a, az is equal to a square x plus y plus b only. So after rewriting, this one is the a square x plus y minus az is equal to some constant. So option D is the correct. Now the singular solution of the differential equation p square plus y square is equal to 1. Option. Singular. Answer. this is option A, option B, and option C. Singular solution. After differentiating with respect to p, what will happen? 2p is equal to 0. Now p is equal to 0. Now substitute p is equal to 0 here. P square plus y square is equal to 1. Now y square is equal to 1. So this is the our particular integral. So y is equal to plus or minus a is the particular integral. Option B correct. Next one. Solve the following partial differential equation. Z of p minus q is equal to z square plus x plus y whole square. Option అయిపోయిందండి అవ్వలేదు ఓకే dx by zp and dx by z and dy by option A sure okay dz by z square plus x plus y. From 1 to what will happen from 1 and 2? From 1 to dx plus dy is equal to 8 వచ్చిందని మీకు x plus y వస్తుంది సొల్యూషన్. Option A we can eliminate and option A we can eliminate. Next అండి after suppose here I am taking the 1 3, then what will happen? Dx by z is equal to dz by z square plus x plus y whole square. But already x plus y is c1. So dx by z is equal to dz by z square plus c1 square. Now dx is equal to z dz by z square plus 1 square. By using substitution method we can solve. So 1 by 2 log of z square plus c1 square x plus constant. That means 2x is equal to log of z square plus x plus y whole square plus c2. Now we can eliminate the log. So e power 2x is equal to z square plus x plus y whole square plus constant. Sir. Okay sir. This is the one of the option. Okay. And it is the 1-3 combination. Similarly, so 1-3 combination here will not work. So one of the solution okay x plus y, and in the option there is a y. So y means 2-3 is possible. In the 2-3 dy by minus z is equal to dz by z square plus c1 square it is, and dy is equal to minus so z by z square plus c1 square dz. After applying the substitution method, minus y is equal to log of 1 by 2 z square plus c1 square plus constant. That means minus y is equal to 1 by 2 log of z square plus x square plus y square c2. ఇప్పుడు చెప్తారండి. Second format is minus 2y e power is equal to z square plus x plus y whole square plus constant. ఇప్పుడు సూట్ అవుతుందా అండి? సో పాజిటివ్ ఓన్లీ. సో option B, D both are same. Option B, D same. There is nothing new. So option B, D. Next one. What about here? Which one is the correct option? This is the last problem. Answer అండి. Okay, anyway, try this one. Solve number. It is missing option లేదు. This problem is, I think, over. ఇది అయిపోయింది కానీ ప్రాబ్లం అది అయిపోయింది. Okay, now come to this one. What is the answer? Speed చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటో. త్వరగా సాల్వ్ చేయకుండా చెప్పొచ్చు అండి. dx by y square z dy by x square z dz by వస్తా మేడం. ఒక్కటి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మేబీ అన్నీ వస్తాయండి. 1 2 సాల్వ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ ఫార్మాట్. z క్యాన్సల్, ఎక్స్ వై, ఓకే, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ dx మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ dy, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ బై వై క్యూబ్, ఇది వస్తుంది. అన్ని ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్లో వస్తుంది. సేమ్లే 1 3 ఏమొస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ జెడ్ క్యూబ్ వస్తుంది. 2 3 ఏమొచ్చేస్తుంది ఆన్సర్, y cube minus z cube is equal to constant, or same y cube minus x cube is equal to constant. Here z cube minus x cube is equal to constant, or here z cube minus y cube is equal to constant. Y cube cubes, option C cancel, option D cancel, option A cancel, so option B is the correct. దీనికి చెప్తారని ఆన్సర్. ఇది నేను అయిపోయింది కదండి, ఓవర్. ఇదా అండి? ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, మిస్ అయిందా? ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం. సారీ, 1 3 y square, okay, miss, okay, it's not correct. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. ఓకే, వినపడుతుందా అండి? సారీ, హియర్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ మిస్టేక్. So 1 3 is the x cube minus y cube or y cube minus x cube. Next one 1 3 1 2 okay. 1 3 is dx by z and dz by x. So x square minus y square is equal to constant. Next one 2 3. In the 2 3 combination dy by xz and dz by y square. So 2 3 combination will leave it, not possible. So x cube minus y cube and x square z square. Where is z? So option A not correct, option B also not correct, option C also not correct, option D is the correct. Okay, దీనికండి ఇది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయినట్టుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్. ఇది అయిపోయింది, లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయినట్టుంది అండి. dx by 1 by y, dy by 1 by x and dz by 1 by z. So y dx x dy is 1 to y dx is equal to x dy. So x by y is equal to constant and x by y, y by x. Okay. Next one, combinations. You can take the 1 3 or 2 3. If you can take suppose 1 3, then what will happen? Y dx is equal to z dz. Already y is equal to, you can write. I am taking y is equal, so y is equal to c1 x dx z dz, integration of this one x square by 2 and z square by 2 plus constant. So c1 x square z square plus c2. Now c1 is equal to, already we have y by x, so y x z square c2. That means y x minus z square is equal to c2 or z square minus xy is equal to c2. So option, yes, option A is the correct. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయినట్టుంది. Singular integral. So the differential equation z is equal to x cube p square plus q square. Actually the printing mistake అండి. Okay, singular integral. So after differentiating with respect to p, then what will happen here? 0 0 2p is equal to, so p is equal to 0. Now after differentiating with respect to q, 0 x 0 plus 2q is equal to 0. That means here we will get the q is equal to minus x by 2. Substitute p value 0 and q value is minus x by 2. Now here we will get the z is equal to x cube plus p square q square. That means minus x square by 2 plus 0 plus x square by 4. Option లేదు. So it is minus x square by 2 is the answer. So none is the, none of the above. Now the complete integral of the differential equation. It is related to the special case of the Chapman's method. Z is equal to xp plus y cube plus c into under root of 1 plus p square q square. Answer unda andi? What is the answer? None. నమస్కారం గురుగారు. అయ్యో వస్తున్నాను గురుగారు, బయోమెట్రిక్ పెట్టి వస్తున్నాను మీకు ఫోన్. గురుగారు రేపు పొద్దున ఊరు వెళ్తున్నాను గురుగారు. సరే రేపు మార్నింగ్ 6కి వెళ్తున్నాను గురుగారు. 6 గంటలకి. సార్ రేపు ఈవినింగ్ వరకు వస్తాను గురుగారు. సరే గురుగారు. Now here z is equal to xp plus yq plus c into under root of 1 plus p square q square. So the corresponding answer is z is equal to ax plus by plus c into under root of 1 plus a square plus b square. So option none of the above. Next one, what is the next result? ఇది ఈజీ అండి, చెప్తారా? Option A is the direct answer. Option A. So okay. Now this anyway this is the about the partial differential equations. In the next class we will start the ODE. Okay. సో మేబీ రేపు క్లాస్ తీసుకోకపోవచ్చు అండి, సండే రోజు ఓడి ఉంటుందండి. ఓకే, రేపు లేకపోతే సండే రోజు ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనండి. ఇందులో మనకు పీడీలో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి మీకు మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే నాకు పోస్ట్ చేయండి, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి. ఓకేనా అండి? ఓకేనా అండి? ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ నౌ. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. పంపుతాను సార్. ఆల్రెడీ కంక్రీట్ సార్ పంపలేదు సార్ మీకు? సార్ సార్ వినపడుతుంది సార్. అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సార్ ఉంటే పంపిస్తాను సార్, వెతుకుతాను, ఉన్నాయి కొన్ని పంపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా సార్? ఓకే. Now I will stop now. Thank you to all.